clarifications are coming in from Indian institutions where the panic was actually building up. If you see the way the markets were trading for the last 3 days, ICICI Bank was a target of a massive hammering down. Well, today we caught up with Chanda Kochhar in an exclusive chat with NDTV Profit, explaining why the Lehman crisis will not really burn ICICI Bank, and even if they're exposed to other banks, things are not looking as bad as people are making it out to be.
I want to send this assurance out to everybody that, we have the capability of take whatever the market movements would be. Secondly, I also want to point out that to look at 4% is absolutely wrong. 4% is the context which I said could be our investments in some form or the other, or dealings. No, but that's not a full risk. The risk underlying that is, if the valuations can move some way or the other. We do not want a rumor to have an impact on general public. We are a responsible bank, and therefore we need to actually proactively then kind of react and say that this is wrong, because it is entirely wrong. I must also add that we, therefore, as a responsible bank, are determined to get to the depth of it. We are not going to let it go, and we are not going to let it pass. We are going to investigate. We are going to take action.
While there is no denying that ICICI is facing tough times dealing with the cash crunch due to tight liquidity conditions, there is no sign of any problems of solvency.
In fact, some regulators are actually have given us the thing that they would be happy, in fact, if we rescue some of the distressed assets. You don't necessarily have to buy something that comes cheap. Yeah, many things are coming cheap today. But, first of all, what is behind that? What is the, what is the quality finally of the assets, and what more will you have to incur as you go along?
But as everyone in the financial world says, no one knows at what point the biggest crisis of capitalism will end. Until then, bankers and shareholders both will have to live life on the edge. Bureau Report, NDTV.